Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to do the pillow and sofa pattern in 3D Ed Max. First of all, we will create a box and convert it into edit poly. We set it a bit. Let's do 7, 7, 7, and increase the segment into 4, 4, 4. Let's do it with X face. And then convert it into editable poly. Then we will with this one, and we will select this point with Control. Okay, begin with this one. And then you will click Connect. Next, we will do with Turbo Smooth. It'll give you this appearance. And then you will go with Edit Poly and show the end result. We use the extrude. Okay. And then you will go with this area and you extrude to no, is edge extrude. Okay. So you have the pattern of the sofa. Let's see it into okay. This look good. And